All right, what's up? Hope everyone's doing well once again during this COVID-19 pandemic virus. For me, I'm doing very with some of this, so that's the case. So today I'm here returning back to the Golden Mile car wash country in the highway, streets. I'm here returning back to my favorite car wash, or just called Car Wash Country in Greensburg, Golden Mile, PN. So I'm just here just to do an update because just recently, not long ago, when I went by this last time, magical on Nexus Vortex is in the machine still, but unfortunately I was trying to use the toner one. But one of my family's friends, which is my mom's, told me that this car wash, the Magical Nexus gang, is very sadly is getting replaced. So I felt really bad. So it's going to get replaced. So I'm trying to get a hold of the owner. I'm going to try to get a hold of the owner and I'm going to get this Magical Nexus. So I want to try to hopefully get the wash menu, which is this part, and instructions and wash menu right there. So it's and the sign, and hopefully the machine starts, because I like Magical Nexus so much. So fortunately, this Magical Nexus is no longer running. It is currently, I think it's used for storage. I felt really sad. Because it hasn't been running for a long time. So I think they're gonna get this beauty baby replaced. So I'm just gonna do an update just to show you guys. The door is dirty. Yep, it's used for storage now, so they took the Magical Nexus out there. So you can see. So it's getting replaced with a brand new, looks like to be some kind of Belanger. So it looks like it's gonna be a replacement of Belanger, but I felt really sad. This baby right here. So my managed to goal is to hopefully get the wash menu of this one right here, and the wash menu of this one. Because I really want to get the so this system right here is getting replaced with a Belanger. It looks like, because it looks like it's some kind of Belanger. Yeah, it's some kind of Belanger. Oh, it's gonna be a Belanger Kondor 1. So yeah, so I'm gonna go take a look and see if there's any Magical Nexus on parts around the corner. If there is, I'm gonna hopefully try to get it. So oh my god, this is really terrible. So hold on. So, and these are Mark 7 equipment. So this Magical Nexus is no longer there, but they're keeping the dryers. So this is the machine they took it out. So there's only 2 Magical Nexus left: West Mifflin and Car Wash Country. So this is the dryers. I don't know if they're gonna replace the dryers, but you can see the arm in there. So yeah, it's a Belanger Kondor 1. So I was gonna hopefully get the sign, but yeah, it's just sad. So yeah, just an update. So Magical Nexus is no longer running, and it's got replaced. So it's gonna be a brand new Belanger Kondor 1. So you can see the arm in there. I don't know what color arm it says, but I think they're gonna replace these dryers also. So I'm gonna call the owner today. I must get the wash menu so I can have it. So, and hopefully. So, and in a week or so forth, I'll return this one. But today I have to go through a brush wash today, which is it's gonna be the revisit of the BP car wash, and I win with the Ryko Soft Gloss Max. So yeah. Oh, this is sad ever. Alright guys, well that's just an update of what's going on with the Magical Nexus. So Magical Nexus is now replaced. Alright, with that being said, everyone, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.